Problems opening your blinds. You spin it and spin it and spin it and spin it and nothing. Well, there is a simple solution. You just gotta buy a new one. A new 10 something. I'll put the name of. You have to match the description of your blind and some other stuff. So I got this like 2 weeks ago, and then finally Hector is doing it. You know what I mean? So it's gonna go there. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna unplug that one there and pull it down. Just you know, safety first. Okay, you're probably gonna need a screwdriver, and then put it back. So stand by for the result. I think it's not that hard to get this one. Okay. All right, so we're gonna pull it and then down. Let's just pull this secure thing, and we just gotta snap this out and pull that out. Not really easy when you have. All right, hang on. All right, I think this will work much better. So what we gotta do is use a screwdriver to pry it out. Be careful, because it can break. And there we go, it came out. So this is the part, the bad part, and this is the good part. It's just a little bit different, not much. New one. So let's put it on. Let's make sure it goes in there too. Okay, so it's in. All right. So now, all we gotta do is put this unit back, and we're done. So it's installed, and there we have. All right. You don't have to spend that much of money. Where am I? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, you don't have to spend a lot of money on replacing them all. They're not that cheap. I'm talking about the mini blinds. So that's it. Pretty cool, huh? Guys following me everywhere I go. Can you stop following me? I got no food. It's not time for eating yet. Okay, so this is the email confirmation I got from the Fix My Blind. That's the website. It's called fixmyblind.com. You can go there and order. I ordered 5 because I had 3 that were bad, and so I replaced them, and I have 2 for any other occasion. And I spent $41.95. Not a bad deal. All right, that's all I got. I hope you find this helpful. So if you have a mini blind that is not working, just contact that company. Go to their website and make sure you have the measurements that goes with your blind, and you'll get it within a couple of days. I believe mine took like 3 days to get them. I had order from them other stuff, and they're pretty quick, and you save a lot of money. That's all we want, right? All right, thanks for watching. Until next one.